Yo, what's good? It's your boy Malik. This is the new aquarium gallery. This is just one side of it. We're just getting these 2 tanks done. There's a few more tanks that are gonna go on the other side. A lot of the tanks are now in display positions, so you guys will be getting a lot of cool stuff. So, subscribe right now, hit that notification icon so you do not miss out on the reveal of the new aquarium gallery when it is finally complete. So, let's get into today's video and enjoy me setting up these 2 tanks and some unboxings.
Produced by Malik.
What's going on, world? Welcome back to Aqua Malik. We're actually on the other side of the fish room. This is going to be a new display setup, and there's 2 tanks here. And so you guys probably seen these 2 tanks in previous videos, but these 2, well, they're not new, but they are new here. Okay, I've had the tanks for a while, but just figured I'm going to set them up over here instead of on the middle of the room. And I got a new stand, I painted it. So the last few days, I'm pretty sure you guys have been wondering why I haven't been uploading daily or every other day videos last whole week. I've been actually getting this done. This stand took me a few days actually, which I didn't think it was worth it, but I mean, I needed the stand, I had it, and I had to stand it and paint it because it was getting a little bit of rust on it, so I wanted to make sure it was good. So I did that. This tank here needs to get replaced. So I'm getting a new tank for over here, so stay tuned and subscribe because you don't want to miss out on these cool stuff. Now in today's video, we're going to be doing a basic unboxing, some lights and stuff that I got.
Produced by Malik.
I got these lights from Amazon. I will put these stuff on my Amazon affiliate store, and I'll put a link to it down below so you guys can buy some of these cool stuff. The lights I like to use are Night Crew. Not a paid advertisement, but I will be placing these on my Amazon store because these are not available in general pet stores. I will also place some of the other stuff that I use in the fish room, like these Cascade filters. I just unboxed this. You guys probably seen unboxing of this particular filter. I'll put a link to this video up here so you guys can check it out, and also add this to my Amazon store so you guys can buy this particular product. Basically the stuff that I use in my fish room that I get from Amazon, I'll add them to my store so you guys can buy that stuff from Amazon. And I mean, I'll make a couple of pennies every time you use my affiliate link, so every little bit counts right now, right? Without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and setting up of this new tank. So I'm just gonna open this real quickly. Rip it up, rip it up. I'm an impatient person, right? There we go. At least I know how to unbox these now. Before I didn't know how to. I opened it from the corner and took me like 40 minutes to get the light out. Well, it didn't take 40 minutes, but wow. Every time I pull one of these out, I am always amazed at the quality of the product. They've gone over and beyond. They made it quite sturdy. These last ones were all plastic. Now the new ones are metal. I got these like a few years back. This is the planted the original planted Nicro light. Really nice. I like these. It's a 2-strip. I gotta replace it with one of these new guys. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna set this up right now. Show you guys how nice this light looks on this here tank. Okay, the tank's a little dirty. I put some gravel in there and a used filter, so it is getting cycled. I mean, it's pretty much cycled. I'm gonna put fish in here probably tonight. So stay tuned for that video and comment below and let me know if you guys want to know what type of fish are gonna go in here and if I should make a video for you guys about that. So let's put this light up here. It's pretty straightforward. I actually wired the whole place before recording this bit. Just want to see how far this can go. Oh, quite far. Okay. That's pretty fast. Got the light installed. The one downside to this particular design of light that I have is the size of this plug. This takes up a lot of real estate on my power bank. So if Nicro is watching this video, if you guys can make this a simpler plug with the power unit or the power converter a little bit higher up, because I do have some lights that have that design. I can't really show them because they're all attached and stuff, but I definitely like the power converter somewhere here on the wiring assignment instead of here, because personally this takes up way too much real estate for me, and every time I plug 2 of these in, it pretty much takes up an entire power bar. So that's the one thing I want to say if Nicro is watching. The one downside I have with this particular light brand, or with this particular light right now, or for the longest time actually, was that the power bank was too big in here, the power adapter. So I mean, if we can get that sorted out in future designs, because I am definitely going to buy a lot more of this, and that would really help me out. And if you guys do want to buy this particular one, I will put a bunch of these Nicro lights on my Amazon affiliate store, so you guys can go pick them up from Amazon directly through my affiliate store. Okay, so let's plug this bad boy in and see how it looks. Maybe I can get it through there like that. Okay, that's not going to work. Alright, so the good things about this is it's really well designed, very easy to work with, you know. There we go. Alright, finally got it through. Okay, so got the one side attachment, got the second part attached. There you go. And the moment of truth. Got a brand new power bar just for this. So yeah, see, I mean, if these things were perfectly sized like a regular plug, I would be able to use the existing power bar instead of having to buy a brand new power bar, jerry rig it, you know, all these other stuff. But alright, enough complaining, let's just plug it in. There you go. Wow, that does look good. It does come with a controller, so I can turn down the white, just the blue, increase the red. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. So that's really nice. I'm really happy with it. We got another one. I'm not gonna unbox this one for you guys because you already saw this. This is gonna go down here. I'm getting a new tank for here because this tank, I don't want to end up fixing it right now, because I'm gonna save some of these tanks that need to be re-glued to drill, so that when I move next year, I'll have like 5 or 6 tanks that I can drill right away. And if they pass the drill, like once the drilling is done, if the tank is completely whole without any cracks or busts and stuff, I will reseal the tanks, and then I can set those up and start drilling some of the other tanks that I have. So this is going to be a lot of work in 2022. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be fun. We'll set up a brand new fish room in the new location after I move, but until I move, this is the new fish room, the new gallery, so things are going to look really nice in here, and we'll have a lot of fun. So stay tuned. and subscribe and hit that notification icon so you do not miss out on any of the cool videos that are coming your way in 2021. As always, thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you all.